Well, the Goodwill store didn't do so good over there, so we'll come over here to the thrift store. This place has got some pretty cool stuff in here. I got my barbecue lid cover thing in here. August 24th, 2024. See, look at all the cool junk they got in here. Look at that big bouncy ball. Yeah, they got some, a couple tools in there. Oh, a Hitachi, no battery. Well, you can get a battery, I suppose. Weed eater battery. Filters. All sorts of good. They used to have some tools in here, but it looks like they've sold out of those. Ooh, nice lock box with a key. Fire resistant, I suppose. Ooh, metal things. They got some galvanized on there, but that'd be pretty cool to weld if you didn't breathe any of that gas in. Not very many of them for $3. Ah, now that's kind of interesting because that's long enough to put ribs in on the grill. So you would have a like a steam bath to start them off with, and then put them on the grill. Ooh, there's a big old grill lid. Let's see how much they want for this thing. $4.99. That's not bad. Look at that roaster pan right there. Wow. You could put a whole turkey in there and put that on the grill. It's got some kind of coating on there. I don't know if it's non-stick or not. Let's see. Tools of the trade, basics, cookware, care and caution. It's got a grill in the bottom. Nice little topper on there. I think that would fit in my grill. That's not bad for $4.99. That was on. Sometimes they have a sale in here too. You get stuff at like half price, and that's really cool. Oh look, cookie press, cookie maker. Uh-oh, fishing poles. Cool stuff department over here. Let's see what we got. Oh, big old honking. $10.99. Wow. Can't afford that. What do we got here? Open face reel there. Herders, whatever that is. Oh, there we are. Hi. Oh, I got some big air mattresses in here. Storage room. Oh, I better not go in there. Oh, somebody in there cleaning the bathroom. Well, that's nice. Ooh. Boy, if I could get three, they got rubber on them, 3 pounds. If I had 3 of those, that'd make nice legs. Yeah, $1.99 for clubs in here. That's not so bad. Ooh, look at this, is a wood one.
Sometimes we look out and have the stores for our animals.
Okay, this is a habitat for. Wow, look at that wood head. That's kind of neat. True Temper Dynamic Gold. It's got a nice grip on it. Pretty nice. Little cracks in it.
Anything special there? Anything special?
It's kind of neat.